Let's go.
Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be trying the butterfly locks on my hair, and as you can see, I've already started. I started last night. So yeah, I'm using the same Freacher's hair that everyone's been using, and I did it yesterday, so I just put it up in a bun. So this is how it looks so far, right? And I slept in it last night. It wasn't really hard to sleep in, and the locks are very much so still intact. It's just this is how much I have left, and y'all, my parts are not slightly, they're very all over the place because I didn't really care. I just wanted to see how they would look. But I think total the amount of braids that I have is 50. So see how they come like this? They're already like individually hooked. You take one, two, pull out more. So I take 2 strands, and then I just open this one up. Just open it up, right? So I have my 2 pieces, just 2 strands that I picked out. Okay, my crochet hook. I put it through the hook, through my box spring. Put it together. Kind of like that. And what I do, I kind of hold it like this so I can like make sure it's all in the crochet hook. And then I put it in, lock it, pull it out, put my finger through it, get that bunch hook out, right, take one. See, you don't want to separate them so you know what you're pulling out, right? See? That's the other one. Right, and then pull it through. Try to get the other one. Pull it down. So you want to separate. Bring it all down. Even it out a little bit. Okay. Now you're gonna take a piece and just start wrapping. And just really wrap a couple times around. I hope I'm working. Right. Wrap a couple times at the roots. I'm just gonna loosely, lightly just wrap. Now it's not gonna be as tight. Just gonna do that and put one finger through something else. We're gonna and do that. Wrap lightly. So I have it at my desired length. So I'm gonna tuck this like so on my thumb. Make sure it's tight. I kind of removed my thumb from it, and now I'm holding it like that. And then I'm gonna wrap it up. I tend to get a little bit more, like little fluff these two out and just repeat the same process. Remember what I said now. Don't be going in, forgetting. Got two different parts right here. Pull that bit through. Pull that hoe through. Hold this hoe right here. Oh, she's stubborn. Oh, she's stubborn. That hoe's stubborn. Pull that hoe through, cuz. Pull that hoe through. Yeah, pull that hoe through. So make sure you just pull one through, like one other hair strands through. So it should look like that, like so. Get the wrap and like twist them. Get the twist and like twist them. Okay. So yeah, you're gonna wrap from the root, really tight, loose. Okay, you see how loose I'm going? Like, it's real easy, breezy, and beautiful. It's giving you cover girl, okay? So basically that's it. So this is the final product of, so this is how it looks, and honestly I love it. Yeah, it's really easy to maintain as long as you, or like keep it neat, as long as you wrap it at night. That's what I've been doing. Just been wrapping it, putting it like in all like a low ponytail and keeping it fresh, keeping it new. So this is the finished product, and I really like this. Like, I really like it. Like, next time I think I'm gonna do smaller parts and do neater parts, because I just did big parts just to see how I would like it, how if it would stay on and not unravel, and it's been doing good. Like, it hasn't been, nothing's been unraveling so far. So I think the next time I tackle this style, I'm gonna do much neater parts and like just make it overall much neater, because when I did it I didn't even put like any jam, or the only thing I put on my hair was oil, and then I wrapped it. I used four and a half packs, I think. Some people use 7, but again, I said I had big parts, so I used 4 and a half, maybe 5 packs. I can't really remember, but Yeah, I really like this. Per. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram or not. Bye guys.